sad reality of a fish keeper. It hurts when you say your fish is lying on the floor with no life. It feels like you breaking a wall with your bare hands. I'm so sorry that I don't see you jumping in your breathing tank. Now that you're going to be a daddy, you leave us in a sad way. I know it hurts, but it need to admit that you're gone. Maybe God have a great plan for you. Bye bye to you, my dear fish. You're always in my heart. Thank you and goodbye.